Hi there, welcome to another episode of SQL in the 60 seconds. Today, we are going to see how we can install SQL Server 2019 on our Windows machine. Now, a lot of people often ask me why I have not created video on this subject. The reason is that Microsoft has made this entire process extremely simple. We will see today how we can install SQL Server on our Windows machine so quickly and efficiently that we do not have to do anything beside couple of click. So just sit back, relax and enjoy when I install SQL Server on my machine. Please note that I'm going to skip the step where we install SQL Server Management Studio. That's something you can do it easily by going to the link in this video. Let's start. There we go. We just installed SQL Server on our machine in less than 60 seconds. I have very powerful machine and very good internet connection. So in my case, it was even around just 30 seconds. Now you can get started with SQL Server so quickly and efficiently. See you in another video of SQL in the 60 seconds.